First, grab a sketchbook and make a box roughly the same size you want your mushroom to be. Draw a line here. Below it will be the stem, on top will be the cap of the mushroom. I'm going to make 2 marks in the center of these lines, here and here. We'll need those for later. And a tall line right up the center. Now to make the stem of the mushroom, we're going to make 2 curved lines. The bottom of the stem should be slightly more narrow than the top. This long line into our forehead here. It goes straight across and we're just going to curve it at the edges like so. Let's make a curved line that meets up with that marker here. Once we hit it, we're going to curve downwards towards the forehead. Do the same thing on the other side. 2 tall ovals here and here for the eyes. A big circle here. And a half circle here and here. We're going to use this drawing to create the sketch on our canvas, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but we will have to darken up these lines and color it in. And cut it out. Now tape it to the back of your canvas and we can sketch. I'm choosing the classic Mario green to be our background. To give our mushroom a rounded look, we're going to use the rule of 3. For each color, I'm going to make a light, medium, and dark shade. Here I use dark red on the bottom of the mushroom cap and around the forehead. I use the lightest color of red right in the middle. And at the top, I will use the medium red. I put the medium cream color around the whole stem of the mushroom, being very careful not to cover the eyes. We're going to use the darker cream color on the forehead because it's being shaded by the large cap. The lightest color will go right in the middle and we'll see the medium color on the bottom. Our next step is to outline the entire mushroom in black. Color in those eyes, creating tall ovals. Using that oval shape, let's make the white of the eyes. Here you can really see how the rule of 3 helps a mushroom pop out from the background. And we're done! What a great addition to our Mario collection! Thanks for watching! Bye!